What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got
guys, it is the next day. Okay, my nice man's over here picked me up some French toast and some lattes, and it's currently almost 11 a.m. Where are we going? The beach?
Okay, why not?
I guess we're going to the beach. My face is still bruised, but it's okay. That's not gonna stop me.
I'm living my best life.
We're not gonna leave the car. I know we should be at home. We're just gonna look at the scenery because I'm sick of looking at my room. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me turn my TV off. It's currently 6:15. It's actually good evening. Good evening. It's currently 6:15 and literally did nothing today except I came home. I did some work on my laptop. I was trying to figure out how SEO, search engine optimization for YouTube, to try to optimize my videos. Some research, worked out a little bit, barely, and watched a lot of Jersey Shore. That's JWoww's puppy. And yeah, today is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. I finally go back to work Monday. I'm so excited to go back to work, which is really crazy because everyone should be quarantining right now, but I just want to go to work and I want interaction with other people besides myself. Right now, my friend's coming to pick me up and we're gonna go get Domino's and probably eat by the water. Honestly, all I've been doing during quarantine is eating. I probably eat more now than I do when I'm actually like at work. I've honestly been ordering food almost every day. It's crazy. But you know what? It is a way that we can help small businesses in our community. They are struggling right now because they can't remain open, but we can order takeout and help them out with the revenue a little bit. So I guess that's one good thing. Update on my face. I feel a lot better. I can eat solid foods now, which I'm happy about. And I've sort of been picking at my dog bite, and I probably shouldn't, but it's kind of healing really quickly. So all right, we got the water, we got the agua on deck, we got the agua. Ooh, it's cold. We got the Red Bull, sugar-free. Good choice, baby. All right, and this idiot got me chocolate. But I'm leaving this in his car. Bada boom. Girl. Good morning. Morning guys, this is my day 3 of vlogging during my Corona Chronicles. Today's Saturday. I almost knocked my green tea down. Today's Saturday. It's around 2 p.m. right now. My mans and I are about to go. Honestly, I don't know where we're going. I think we're just going for a long drive. I'm not sure where he's taking me. We will see. I'm feeling much better. I can finally move my jaw in full capacity. And yeah, so we'll see where we're going. I honestly have no idea. We're obviously not going to leave the car because quarantine. But yeah. what's up. So it's currently 3:25 p.m. We hit the road and we were on a mission to find a Starbucks that's open. As you all know, most places are closed, and we found one in the Bronx that's open. We're going upstate, so it's on our way. Hopefully it has a drive-through because I ain't trying to go inside. You think it has a drive-through?
Corona!
So it probably has a drive-through, and then we're just gonna go for a drive. It's a beautiful day today. A lot of people are actually out. We were passing this park and there were a lot of people jogging in their masks, which I don't know how safe that is because they came out with more information saying that you can catch the virus just by breathing or talking. It is airborne now. I hope everyone's staying safe, doing okay. We're on to get some coffee. We found a Starbucks.
Turn right on.
No way.
That's what I bought you.
Oh my god.
That's what I bought you.
Holy moly.
That's the whole dam of
Oh
it.
shit, oh shit. So we're at this beautiful park. What's it called?
Croton Gorge.
Croton Gorge Park. It's freaking beautiful.
It's actually a dam.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it looked like a waterfall. Anyways, we both have to pee and we see porta potties, so we're gonna try to use them. Please put your mask on. And the gloves.
We're in nature.
I don't care. So I'm gonna put my mask and my gloves on and try to use the porta potty, but oh my god, it's so freaking beautiful. That was traumatic. That was the nastiest thing ever. It was pretty traumatic. I honestly would have rather peed in nature, but oh well. Literally so beautiful. How do we get on the bridge? Okay, we're about to go down this path. Got this. Chicken cheesesteak. That looks so good. And a steak cheesesteak. And some fries.
When your teeth
They
make
call
people
it
look
being
younger.
weird.
Another fact.
Grocery trip store number.
Can remove 10
Why would everyone take all the ramen? Why? 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 All the oranges are gone. I found one more. I want to take it. I'm gonna take it.
It's crazy. I told her to take a few more days off.
So we just got done shopping. I don't know if you could hear me, but we just got done shopping and I'm about to drop off some groceries to my cousin's house. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog soon because it is 7:30 Saturday night. My honey bear. Schnickum, schnickum. Hey guys, so I realized I didn't film an outro for this vlog, so I wanted to film it right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this vlog was a little all over the place, and for that I apologize. But today is Tuesday. I'm back at work and I'm just hanging in there. I hope you all are staying safe. Hope you and your loved ones are healthy. Hope you are dealing with this quarantine situation okay. And I just wanted to say thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one.